Hey guys, thanks for tuning into the channel. Make sure you click subscribe and hit the bell so you get all the updates. Thanks. Alright. It's going to be a flight of the Carbon Z Cessna 150. Was that 2.1 meter wing?
Yeah.
Alright. Take a look at it. It's a large scale airplane too. Should be pretty good. Alright. Nice scale takeoff. Looks like it handles very smooth.
That's without the AX3X.
Okay, I'm flying it without the AX3X. Looks smooth. And it's handling the wind very well. You're flying at half throttle right there, and it's cruising just as good as you could get it. Super stable. Wow, look at that. And full throttle, good strong pull out right there. It's got plenty of power. And it's got unlimited vertical if you want to get silly with it. Loops are no problems. Rolls are no problems. Inverted flight's no problem. Coming in.
The bowl effect.
Yep. There we go.
That's still half throttle.
Just cruising around at half throttle. And what kind of battery do you have in it?
6,000 milliamps.
6,000 milliamp 6S. And this just doesn't use a lot of milliamps. You can fly probably over what, about 7 minutes on this easily?
Easily.
And it's a large airplane, and it flies like one. It does a good job. Scooting right along. It's got excellent speed too, handles well. We probably got about a 5 or 6 mile an hour wind, and it's not even noticing it. Super impressed with these E-Flite airplanes. I mean, for foam, they're really dead on. Nice smooth roll. So you think this was a good buy?
Absolutely.
Would you recommend other people get it?
100%.
There we go. So if you're on the fence thinking about getting one of these, quit sitting on the fence. Just go get one.
The breeze is strong.
Yep. The breeze, it's blowing out here. It's at least probably a 10 mile an hour breeze right there.
We do it flat.
All right.
100% flat.
100% flap, so you're just gonna put around up there. And it's literally almost out of stall. Can't zoom in a little better.
And it's hands off.
Hands off flying right there. Plenty of power. And it can do a lot of things. So if you want to do your basic maneuvers and aerobatics, it's an excellent one for that. If you like scale flying, it'll do that. And he picked this up for a steal, 250 bucks. I say it's worth every penny of it. All right. It's gonna go do a revolution and set up for a landing. Hopefully we don't jinx it. Now down at the end of the bowl, at the edge of the field, we have this ground effect where you get an updraft coming up, and you may see it. And so you just got to prepare for it. He's setting up, bleeding off airspeed. He's got the nose coming down. Look at that. Smooth landing, nice, very good. With flaps down.
Well worth it.
And well worth it. $250. Like I said, if you're on the fence about the carbon Cessna 150, get off the fence, go get one. Excellent looking airplane. And easy to see too. Easy to see. And there you have it. And there we go. All right, and we're back after with the airplane flying. We got it landed, and we just plugged up the battery to the battery checker, and we flew for about 4 or 5 minutes, and you got 53% left in the battery, 6,000 milliamp, and it's well worth it. There you go. All right, so I'm gonna get behind the sticks and try to fly the Carbon Z 150 Cessna. I got a little hankering to fly this thing after watching them fly. So here we go. Oh wow, tons of power. Super stable. Wow.
Yeah, I didn't check the CG for the battery.
Oh no, it's all right. It's on there. It's just a little left.
You got the crosswind, yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Wow, this is an excellent flying airplane. Jeff, you mind if I put it through its paces?
Go for it.
All right. I want to see what it can do. We're over here breaking our necks. I'm just gonna bring it in and see what it'll. Wow, it will slow down. Look at that. Wow. It's got good power. Let's see if it'll knife edge. It will knife edge. Check that out. Even with the wind pushing it backwards. That's funny.
On a big plane?
On a big plane.
High wing at that.
Yeah.
It rolls really good too.
Take it up and test it out. We'll take it up about 4 mistakes high, and we'll see what it's made of. We're gonna check out the vertical. Here's the vertical. It's got good vertical, unlimited. That's unlimited. You could hover this thing if you wanted to. All right, we're gonna take it up there, snap it. Well, there you go. So it'll do that. Very aerobatic. It floats down. Look at that. That's unreal. We'll take it up. Check that out. It's got the power to hover. Look at that. Jeff, you got your winner here, buddy. That's just an all-around good flyer. It amazes me because these E-Flite, I mean, they're foam airplanes, but they fly just like, you know, a wooden airplane, like everything else. The gap's been closed. And we'll set up for a landing here. And look at that. Look at that. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. Man. So like I said before, if you're on the fence, I said Jeff got one. If you're on the fence,
there you
go get it. I'm thinking about getting one myself, man. They fly good. That's an excellent airplane. There we go.